Hi, my name is Archie from NoteForms. Did you know that you can automatically pre-fill a form using a unique URL? Let me show you an example. So here we have the client feedback form. So it only has two input fields, the text input field and the rating input field. So let's fill out the form quickly. A good experience. And then let's just say I'm giving 5-star rating and then click submit feedback. So form user, I only need to enter two input fields. But if we go to the actual submission of the form, you'll see here that there's actually more than just two fields. And there's five, and three of them are hidden. But it was automatically pre-filled with the client name, which is my name, and the project ID, and the project manager. Ocean forms are great. It's built in, straightforward, and offers you basic form features. However, it doesn't have advanced features such as having a pre-filled form using a unique URL. And this is where Node Forms really stands out. This will allow you and give you more flexibility and personalize your form, making sure that it's convenient for your form users and it saves time, which will lead to better form engagement and data collection. So now let me walk you through on how to create a unique URL pre-filled form using Node Forms. So here, let's create a new form. And on the next page, we have the option to use an existing Notion database or start from scratch. We will start from scratch so we can use the AI form builder. Let's enter the prompt and click generate form. So we're going to create a client feedback form with the form name. Purpose is to collect client feedback while keeping key project details hidden, like the name, project ID manager. Those fields will be hidden, and we just need them to fill out feedback and rating. Okay, it's generating the form, 25 seconds now. 28 seconds, it's analyzing requirements. Less than 30 seconds, you already have your form ready. So the client name, project ID, and project manager are all hidden. We just need the feedback and the rating. So all we need to do now is just click publish form, select the Notion page where you would like to uh, have the Notion database created. So I'll use my own Notion page, click save form, and there, we already have our form. And the next step is go to the Share tab. Automatically, it's a landing page. And on the Share tab, you'll see here URL form prefill. So here on the URL form prefill, let's say the client name is Archie. You can put the client name here. Project ID, let's just say the project ID is 54321. And the project manager, let's just say uh, the name is John. So it will automatically pre-fill those hidden fields, and we can click generate pre-filled URL, and there you go. You already have your URL pre-filled form ready. So once the user enters the feedback and rating, the three fields, the client name, project ID, and manager will be automatically pre-filled. Hopefully this video helps, but if you still have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via our live chat support, and we will be happy to answer your questions. Again, my name is Archie, and thank you so much for supporting NoteForms.